What is the price prediction for PAWS Airdrop? So you can see right here through the picture that this is USDT example, and also this is Solana, and this is PAWS, and this is allocation, right? So allocation plus USDT, right? Or let me say Solana plus allocation plus PAWS, and giving us equals to USDT to your wallet. I want us to check very well, and according to analysis and price total supply of PAWS Airdrop, then we can be able to filter and check price prediction for PAWS Airdrop. Look right here, this guy posted in the morning. You can see that this price he posted here is not possible. This price you're seeing is not possible. May PAWS be that airdrop that gets to heal the broken hearts of every crypto enthusiast and give everyone hope that not all airdrops are dust. I mean, Allah Ma'ana, right? So right here, I answer to his prayers, right? We are all hoping for this, but it's not possible. Here is the reason why. I want you to check this out. Here is my calculator right now. I want you to check out something, right? So if PAWS Airdrop can come at 0.25, right? Calculate this. We have 100 billion total supply coin, right? So this is it right here. We have 100 billion total supply of PAWS token, and then if PAWS can launch at 0.25, how much do you think? How much liquidity do you think PAWS Airdrop needs to get this price, right? So let's put this down. 100 billion total supply. So imagine PAWS have at least 15 billion market capitalization. 15 billion market capitalization, right? So this is it right here, 15 billion market capitalization. Then we can at least divide to 100 billion tokens, right? 100 billion tokens. So I'm trying not to do any mistake, right? 100 billion token. So you can see right here, if they have 15 billion market capitalization, at least the price of PAWS Airdrop will come at least 0.15, right? That's 15 billion market capitalization. Is that possible? You will find out in this video. Trust me, there's some analysis I want you to do and you will understand it. So that means the price of PAWS will go at 0.015, which means totally, if we want PAWS to launch at 0.25 USDT, we would need at least 20 billion, right? We need like 20 billion market capitalization. So this is it right here, right? 20 billion market capitalization divide to 100 million total supply of PAWS Airdrop, right? So this is it right here. Look right here. For 0.2, we need at least 20 billion market capitalization for PAWS Airdrop to list at 0.2, which is very, very hard, right? For PAWS Airdrop. Look, let's go back to the chart. The reason why this guy is saying this, he has a reason, right? Based on analysis, breaking, PAWS has partnered with Meteora, right? Meteora AG for liquidity purpose, right? For liquidity purpose. Recall Meteora. Meteora provided liquidity for Trump tokens, right? For Trump's token. So Trump's token will be able to have, I think, almost 20 billion market capitalization. On 18th, PAWS at 5 billion market capitalization, hopefully. That's what they are saying, which means this Meteora may provide liquidity, or let me say will provide liquidity for PAWS Airdrop. And guys, so if this price will go like that, then each and everyone, let me calculate at least minimum, somebody who have minimum of 5,000 PAWS Airdrop. Or let me calculate through my allocation that I have only 6,000 PAWS Airdrop. So let's tap right here. Let's go back and watch this chart. If I have 6,000 PAWS Airdrop, I want to divide it to, I want to calculate 0.25 PAWS airdrop, 2.5 airdrop times 6,000. You see, that's around 1,500 USDT, right? 1,500 USDT, and in Nigeria that's like 2 point something million, right? So guys, it's very amazing, and I know that it's not possible, right? Not like it's not possible in airdrop. It might be impossible for PAWS airdrop to list at this price, guys. But according to my own analysis, let's put it that at least PAWS airdrop will have that $5 billion market capitalization if Meteora will decide to give PAWS airdrop liquidity. So let's calculate it right here. So 105 billion market capitalization, 5 billion market capitalization, right? 5 billion market capitalization. Then we divide it to 100 million, 100 billion total total supply of PAWS airdrop. Total supply of PAWS airdrop. That's around 0.05 USDT, right? 0.05 cents. So we are hoping for this price. If PAWS can announce this price of 0.05 USDT, or let me say cent, trust me, you're going to earn a lot of profit from PAWS, because at least someone who have 6,000 PAWS token will get at least 300 USDT, and it's possible. How? Let me explain. So if I'm having 0.05 times 6,000, at least you can see it's equal to 300 USDT, and at least close to 500,000. So guys, let's pray for this price to come out. At least if this price can come out, we will earn from PAWS airdrop, and we'll forget the tapping we did on Hamster and TapSwap. So if you know you really benefit from this video and you love content like this, kindly like this video, comment and share to your family and friends. I will see you guys in the next update.